Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add Revolut to Google Pay. So firstly, open up Revolut and log into your Revolut account. So once you're in your Revolut account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on these card options on your top right. So go to hit on card, simply click on the card option. So once you've reached the card option here, now select the card, select the Revolut card that you want to add to Google Pay. So for example, I'm using my virtual card, so just open that. So open up the card so that you want to add. So for example, this is my card here, so I'm just going to add that. And then once you open that, and underneath you'll see an option called add to GPay, your Google Pay option. So simply hit on add to Google Pay and this will initiate the process of adding it. So now all you have to do is simply follow this prompt and hit on add a payment card, and all you have to do is hit on add to wallet and complete the prompts, and that's it. Your Revolut card will be added to your Google Pay, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.